Hello students, in previous video we have started Unit 11, that is perimeter, and we have discussed about the open figures and the closed figure, and we have discussed about the closed figures using line segment only. Now today we will understand what is perimeter. So let us see this example first. Take a page from a book. Now touch and feel the boundary of this page with your finger. What will be the length of the boundary? So if we talk about the boundary, this is a page, and if we talk about the boundary means the length of all these sides. बाउंड्री तो पूरी हो गई, यहाँ से यहाँ ये कंप्लीट जो ये है ये आपकी क्या है, बाउंड्री है. सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ अ बाउंड्री? The length of the boundary will be the sum of the lengths of line segments, that is AB, BC, CD and DA. So total length of the boundary जो हमने निकालनी है, यहाँ से हम यहाँ तक लेंथ पहले मेजर करेंगे, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक, और फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ तक. दैट मीन्स A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A. ये जब हम लेंथ फाइंड कर लेंगे सारी साइड्स की, then we will add them and then we will get the length of the boundary. So the length of boundary of a closed figure, कोई भी क्लोज्ड फिगर है उसकी जो बाउंड्री की लेंथ है, that is called the perimeter of the closed figure. As we have discussed in this picture, जो ये पेज था इसकी बाउंड्री की जो है लेंथ वो हम इसको मेजर करेंगे. AB 5 centimeter, BC as given here, AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC 4 centimeter, CD 5 centimeter and again DA 4 centimeter. So we will add the length of these line segments and then we will get 18 centimeters. So 18 centimeter is the length of the boundary of this page, and this length is called the perimeter of the page. So what is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of boundary. Perimeter is the length of boundary. Boundary means जो ये सारी साइड से जो क्लोज फिगर है उसकी जो सारी साइड्स होगी उनकी जो लेंथ है of a closed figure is called perimeter of the closed figure. So we will try to understand it by doing this worksheet. So here find the perimeter of the following figures by measuring the sides. So we have to find out the perimeter of these closed figures. So let us find out the perimeter of these closed figures by measuring the sides. So we need scale to measure its boundaries. So first of all, measure any side of this triangle. So we will measure this first. What is the length of this side? That is it is 3.2 centimeter. The length of this side is 3.2 centimeter, right? Now let us measure the length of this side. So again we will measure the length of this side. This is again 3.2 centimeter. It is 3.2 centimeter again, 3.2 centimeter. And now let us find out the length of this third side. So the length of this side is, you know how to measure the length. It is 3.5 centimeter. It is almost 3.5 or 3.4 centimeter. its length is 3.4 centimeter. Now, how can we find out the perimeter? So what is perimeter? The perimeter is the length of boundary of closed figure, right? So find out the length of boundary. So to find out the length of boundary, what we have to do? We have to add all these sides. So 3.2 centimeter plus 3.2 centimeter plus 3.4 centimeter. So ये आपकी length हो गई, all the three sides की. Add them. So 4 plus 2 plus 2 is 8 and 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So what is the perimeter of this triangle? It is 9.8 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of this closed figure. So now let us find out the perimeter of this rectangle. So what is the, first of all we will find out the length of this side. So what is the length of this side? This is 4.2 centimeter. Length of this side is 4.2 centimeter. And now length of this one is this is 2.8 centimeter, approximately 2.8 centimeter. 2.8 centimeter. And now let us find out the length of this side. This is again 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeters. And now the length of this side, this is again 2.8 centimeter. It is approximate 2.8 or 2. So as you know that the opposite side of rectangle are equal. The length of the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So this is a rectangle, 2.8, 2.8, 4.2 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter. Now to find out the perimeter of this figure, what we have to do? We have to measure the total length. So total length, for that we have to add 4.2 centimeter plus 2.8 centimeter plus 4.2 centimeter plus 2.8 centimeter. That means we have to add the length of all the sides. That is the length of the boundary. So 8 plus 2, 10. So that is 22. So 4 plus 2, 8, 4 plus 2, 6, 8, 10, 14. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? That is 14 centimeter. So now I hope that it is clear that what is perimeter and how we can find out the perimeter. So now let us find out the perimeter of this C part. So how can we find out? We have to measure the length of all its sides. First of all, start from here. So what is its length? So it is 2.7. So it is 2.7 centimeter. Then this one, it is again 2.3 centimeter. It is 2.3 centimeter. Now this one, its length is 3.2 centimeter. 3.2 centimeter. Now this one, it is 2.3 centimeter. 2.3 centimeter. What I have written here, it is 2.3. So I have written wrong. 2.3 centimeter, right? and here what is its length? It is again 2.7 centimeter, 2.7 centimeter, and one more side is left, that is this one, and it is 1 centimeter. You can see here what is its length. It is 1 centimeter. Now how can we find out the perimeter? What is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of a boundary. So to find out the length of boundary, what we have to do? We have to add all these sides. So add them. So start from here, 2.7 centimeter, then 2.3, 3.2, 2.3, 2.7 and 1 centimeter. So we have to add them. So how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have written all the sides. Now add them. 7 plus 3, 10, plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 7, 22. 2, so 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 3, 9, 11, 13 and 14. So what is the perimeter of this closed figure? That is 14.2 centimeter. And now this one. So try to find out the perimeter of this D part yourself. So what you have to do? Measure the length of all the sides and then add them. You will get the perimeter of this closed figure. So now I hope it is clear what is perimeter. And second question, what you have to do? Here, find the perimeters of the following figures using the measurements given below. So in this question, there is no need to measure the length because it is already given. The only thing you have to do is find the perimeter. And to find the perimeter, what you have to do? You have to add the length of all the sides of this closed figure, because perimeter is the length of boundary. So add them. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. So what is the perimeter of this closed figure? That is 14 centimeter, right? Similarly, this one, you have to find out the perimeter and the length of all the sides are given. So what you have to do? You have to add the length of all the sides. So add them. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 4 is 15 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of this closed figure? That is 15 centimeter. So this is all about perimeter. So in next video we will discuss about the perimeters of rectangle, square and triangle. So here C and D part are also left. So we will discuss, you will try to find out the perimeter of these closed figures. This one is little bit different, so we will discuss it now. Perimeter of this D part. So here is the closed figure and one line is also there inside this closed figure. So what will be the perimeter of this closed figure? So what is perimeter? The length of boundary. So you have to add only the boundary of this closed figure. So most of the time what students do, they add this also, 5 centimeter. So what is the perimeter? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, and 12 plus 2, 14 centimeter, right? But sometimes students also add this 5 centimeter. This is not the boundary. This is not a part of a boundary. You can see here, जो 5 centimeter है, ये boundary का part नहीं है. Boundary सिर्फ हमारी इस side वाली होती है, जो इस figure को close कर रही है. So What is the perimeter of this closed figure? That is 14 centimeter. Don't add this line segment, right? So to find the perimeter, we have to just add the length of all the sides, जो बाहर की sides है. So boundary जो बना रही है बाहर की sides बनाती है, not this one. So the perimeter is 14 centimeter. So in next video we will discuss more about perimeter. Thank you.